Chapter 21 Rhyme Zone. Rhyming words have magic in them. Poets bring out magic in a wonderful way by using rhyming words, words that sound alike when spoken. Let me answer. What are rhyming words? A. Some words are given below. Take their correct rhyming words from those in brackets. 1. Pen, hen. 2. Bird, word. 3. Fork, stork. 4. Train, brain. 5. Cloud, proud. B. Match the rhyming words in the following two columns. 1. Back. Answer C. Sack. 2. Cake. Answer D. Bake. 3. Bank. Answer B. Tank. 4. Jar. Answer E. For. 5. Cat. A. Rat. Teacher's note: ask the students to play a game with rhyming words using the classroom objects such as the chair, table, etc. Info bits: a single word can have many rhyming words. The rhyming words for hair can be care, mare, air, chair, etc.